Hi guys, this is Ashmi from my permanent makeup studio in Mumbai, and in this video I'm going to talk about a very frequently asked question about semi-permanent brows कि ये procedure करवाने के बाद क्या मुझे threading कराने की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी? Do I still have to maintain my brows after getting this procedure done? And what changes in terms of maintenance after getting my semi-permanent brow procedure, either microblading or ombrepowder brows? So there is a simple answer to that, the purpose of this procedure is to make amazing changes to your brows जिससे कि आपका face and your personality changes a lot. The purpose is definitely not reducing the maintenance, but there is some relief. Relief ये है कि आपको जब आप threading करवाते हो तो it's up to the girl who's threading your brows to shape your brows. After this procedure is done, the entire shaping is done for you. You can always feel and see the pigment कहाँ pigment है, and your shape is very much defined with the help of that pigment. So every growth, the natural growth that happens around your brow which has been created, that will continue happening. आपको बाल जहाँ पे आते हैं naturally वहाँ पे आते रहेंगे. तो अगर मैं अपनी बात करूँ, मेरी natural brow line जो है काफ़ी नीचे है. It's something around here. यहाँ पे मेरा brow gap naturally बहुत कम है. But I can manage and maintain this at home. There are a lot of brow cleaning devices that have come. Simplest is something called as brow razor. Amazon पे बहुत easily available है. You just type brow razor and you'll get number of options. Other than that, there are those electronic pen जिनमें आप सेल डाल के चलाते हैं, and it's like a pen, and then you can just clean up the extras. So after getting this procedure done, you can maintain your natural growth ka taming at home, and you don't have to explicitly visit a salon or a parlor or call a lady at home to do your brow threading. And it's fairly simple. Like for me, doing my extras cleaning takes me about maximum 3 to 5 minutes at most. And to most of my clients, like at least 60% of my clients have been using these devices like brow razor and brow cleaning electronic pens in order to clear out their extras, and it's very simple. Even if you accidentally remove some of the hair from on top of the brows, the pigmentation which is behind your natural brow will always give the feeling that you have the brow there in the right areas. तो मेंटेनेंस बहुत इजी हो जाता है, बहुत कम हो जाता है. यू डोंट हैव टू विजिट अ सैलून. एंड शेप जो है, एक बार आपका प्रोसीजर में जो शेप बना दिया है, दैट डज नॉट बज. शेप हमेशा रहेगा, और एक वो जो शेप का बोल्डनेस रहता है, लाइक यू कैन सी इन माई केस, इवन इफ आई गेट अ फ्यू हेयर हियर एंड अ फ्यू हेयर हियर, they will not show as much, and my shape will always continue to show. So the answer is, if you want to go to a salon and if you go there for your regular facial and waxing, might as well you can get your brows threaded for extras cleaning, but you don't have to worry about the shape. नहीं तो मोस्टली मेरे क्लाइंट्स आके रोते रहते हैं कि जो ब्राउ लेडी है उसने मेरा शेप बिगाड़ दिया है, या ओवर प्लकिंग करके मेरी ब्राउज थिन हो गई हैं. ओवर एबल टू एक्सप्लेन व्हाट इज़ द राइट शेप ऑफ फॉर मी टू द सैलून लेडी. तो ये सब प्रॉब्लम से यू गेट छुटकारा, बिकॉज a very good shape can be obtained during this session. And after that, for maintenance, you just need to clear out the extras with the help of all sort of devices available in the market. On Amazon there are so many eyebrow devices. आप Facebook पे type करिए eyebrow cleaning, eyebrow shaping devices. You will get number of options on Facebook, Amazon. You can manage and maintain them by yourself, or if you are somebody who's visiting salon for many other reasons other than brows, then you can might as well get your extras cleaned up there in salon as well. I hope I've been able to answer this question of yours, and if you like this video, please hit like button, and thank you so much for watching this video.